26 मार्चाच्या रातीक जाल्ल्या स्टॅबिंग केशीत कलंगूट पुलिशेक कर्नाटक गटप्रभाच्या 22 वर्स पिरायेचो फरार आरोपी कृष्णा अंकुश बेळगांवकर हाका अटक करपाक यश आयले. खुनाची केस मंगळारा सकाळी नोंद केल्ली म्हण माहिती कलंगूटचे पीआय जीवबा दळवीन दिल्या. आरडीएक्सको खातीर कलंगूटच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
On 26 March at night time, there was a case of stabbing wherein Manish Singh Yadav was stabbed at his abdomen. The accused Krishna Balgaonkar was absconding. Initially we have done the Panchnama and we could even attach the weapon of assault. And next day we got information that while undergoing treatment the accused expired. Then we added section 302, a murder case for the case. The accused absconded after doing the murder, and then we have formed various teams to locate the accused. And I got the information that accused is gone to Karnataka. Accordingly, immediately without wasting any time, the team was sent at the leadership of Mr. P.S.R. Sitaram Malik, and my 3 constables has gone to Karnataka Belgaum side. So we were tracking the movement of the accused person, and finally we received inputs that he is at Ghataprabha village in Karnataka. So immediately the raid was conducted in the location known to us, and we could successfully nab the accused person. We brought the accused to Goa, and he has confessed his crime, and he informed that he was a commissioned based person who is to give rooms or water sports to the various tourists, and the victim was also known to him, and he was also doing similar type of business.